Okay.
I don't want it anymore.
No. Matchy.
Yes.
Day 1 complete. Gladstone house. Wasn't bad. Room was kind of cold. Stuffy. We're super congested. I don't know if you heard me wake up to get water.
No.
My throat was so dry.
No. I was passed out.
Yeah. And then they gave us wine, but we don't drink. But appreciate the gesture anyway.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Kind gesture.
Very kind. Traffic's super loud outside, but it's all good. On to Blue Mountain next. We're struggling to get in.
Locked out for, what, 30 minutes?
Yeah. Maintenance guy put the code in and it worked. So we're like,
It wasn't too bad.
it's alright. This is nice. I definitely like this room better. Because it has a nice view. The other one's at the front.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this one has a video.
First activity since we got here. Our trip to the falls got cut short because it's raining. Oh well. First one. We'll see if you like it or not. That's yours. I'm excited for you to try. Thank you.
Okay.
It's okay.